Now, let's make a cocktail to pair with that guy, okay? So I have my glass here, my tin here, and I made simple syrup earlier. This is the syrup that we made earlier. It is going to give our dish a lot of sweetness. Our drink is going to be really good. Simple syrup is a staple in a cocktail like this one. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add it right in there in the bottom. Then we're going to start with our juice. This is a lime, and we'll use half of it and just get all the juice out of it. Squeeze as much of it out of there as you can. Right into that tin. Let it roll down those tongs. Okay. 3 ounces of OJ, whatever kind you like, but about 3 ounces. Because we have a tall glass here. We need a splash of bitters in here. Just a nice splash. And this is orange bitters. We're going to put in 1 ounce of Blue Curacao. This is going to really give our drink some color, make it look cool. It'll end up being like a green color, really. But just add that to it. And we need about 1.5 ounces of tequila. You can use whatever kind you like. Just about 1.5 ounces. And let's grab our top and our top. We're going to give that guy a shake. Really nice mix. Get that frost on there. And we have a glass with fresh ice. And I'm digging the cylinder ice right now. Really am loving it. But look at this drink here. Look at that beautiful color. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful drink that is. Let's get some garnish. We need some rosemary. Remember, we added rosemary to our syrup with the ginger. That'll pair really nicely with that. And there it is, you guys. That is a Green Acre Slinger. That's made with so much love. Look, you can pair that with that shrimp pasta salad. So good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's get a shrimp. Man, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like this dish. I hope you'll try this recipe at home. I want to make sure that I say to you, enjoy your family this weekend. Special time, man, calls for special love. Give them all hugs and kisses because you never ever know. Just make sure you love on them. Man, have a great weekend. Enjoy yourselves. Don't drink too much either. I'm Chef Brooks, about the dish.